Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een. We welcome everyone to Tazkiyah 101. Tazkiyah 101 is a crash course on Tazkiyah. Tazkiyah is the purification of the soul, of the nafs, of the spiritual aspect of the human being, of the qalb. In this course, we will speak about the 5 greatest purifiers of the soul. We will speak about the definition of Tazkiyah, what Tazkiyah means. We will also speak about the importance of Tazkiyah. Why is Tazkiyah important in our deen? And then, bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, we will speak about the 5 greatest purifiers one at a time. And we will discuss regarding the bottom-up approach, a step-by-step practical guide to Tazkiyah, in order to attain benefits and results from our efforts. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept it from us, and we ask Him subhanahu wa ta'ala to aid us in this beautiful endeavor and to grant us the results that we seek. Allahumma ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.